Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making smothered chicken. You will need 1.5 pounds of chicken, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 onion, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of seasoned salt, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of canola oil. In a small bowl, combine your salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Add the smoked paprika and seasoned salt, then mix until well combined. Now season your chicken with half of your seasoning mixture. Add your flour to a shallow dish, then season with the other half of your seasoning mixture. Generously coat the chicken in the flour, then place it on a wire rack. Add your oil to the pan, then using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now fry your chicken for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove your chicken from the pan and set it aside. Remove most of the oil from the pan, leaving about 3 tablespoons. Now saute your onions for 3 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons of seasoned flour to your pan, then mix until your flour has turned to golden brown. Add your chicken broth and continue to mix until your gravy begins to thicken. Return the chicken to the pan, cover, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes, basting occasionally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab.